This is a second generation iPod Touch, and in this video we're going to show you how to take this unit apart. To do this you're going to need a couple of safe open pry tools and also a small Phillips screwdriver as being shown here in the video. First we're going to remove the screen from the iPod Touch. To do this we need to release several clips. The position of these clips is being now shown in the video. To release these clips, use a safe pry tool and run it between the backing of the phone and the glass. Run this along all edges to release the clips. Once all the clips have been released, gently pull away the digitizer from the rest of the iPod. Be careful as it is still attached by a small ribbon cable. To release this ribbon cable, use the safe pry tool to just gently pry this off. Once done, you will be able to separate the digitizer from the rest of the iPod. Now we have removed the digitizer and the midsection from the rest of the iPod, we have a couple of different options available to us if we wish to replace the digitizer. This first option, which we're going to show in the video now, is probably the most difficult but also the cheapest. We need to separate the digitizer from the midsection. These are held together with glue, and to separate these we're going to use the safe open pry tool to pry apart the digitizer and the midsection. Place the pry tool between the midsection and the digitizer and start to gently pry apart. If you're having trouble separating, you may wish to use a hot hairdryer or a heat gun to warm the glue to make this process easier. If you are replacing a cracked digitizer, be careful of the small sharp pieces of glass. Continue to gently pry these parts apart until separated. Once separated, you should have the midsection, the home button and the digitizer as shown here in the video. Your midsection will probably have some leftover glue on it, like the midsection here being shown in the video. You need to remove this excess glue before we can install the new digitizer. Once you've removed all the glue from the midsection, it should look something like what we have here in the video. What we need to do now is put the home button back into place, and we are now ready to attach the new digitizer.